Tara is all about solving these problems. How can we get Gen AI systems to be more accurate? How to measure what's called a hallucination. Hallucination, by the way, is driven from an Arabic word called halwasa. Halwasa is the origin of it. Or fatty. Fatty would be the other way, where the AI might say things that appear to be very correct, but they're completely wrong. So that's one of the problems actually we solved. We have a fact checker system. It's called the hallucination evaluation model that can measure that. And then the other aspect, if you're using AI in any regulated industry, like finance, like medicine, like law, like accounting, you have to have explainability, as Insik said. The AI has to explain how it came to this result. It cannot just give you the result and say, trust me, this is a good result. Like, no, you have to explain that to me. And that's another problem we have solved as well. Now, I'm going to disagree with Insik about human in the loop. Human in the loop is required in certain cases, but not in all cases. Like, if you look at self-driving cars, we actually don't want the human in the loop, because the human is the reason why the cars make accidents. They get distracted, they lose their temper, whatever, and that's when the accident takes place. AI will absolutely replace human drivers fully. There won't be a human in the loop even controlling that. Similarly, if I have a device like this watch, for example, that can predict that I'm having a heart attack, I don't want it to go to my doctor first, and he has to review it and approve it before he tells me, because he might be asleep or he might be fighting with his kids or something. I would rather have it tell me, go to the emergency room right now. Right? So there will be some use cases where human in the loop will be needed, but I think Nirvana is trying to eliminate the human in the loop in as many cases as we can.